Hi, today we ask a strange question as a thought experiment. Could humans survive if we ate only humans? We will use maps, simple math, and some numbers to find out and to calculate. And we will also look at ethics and health. This is purely hypothetical. First, what do we mean by eat only humans? We mean no plants, no animals, just human body tissues as the only source of calories. We will assume a breakdown of body parts and calories, average calorie needs, and a few scenarios like a single survivor on an island or a city scale collapse. There is a question in our mind, how many calories in a human? Start with one average adult human. We must make assumptions, let's be clear about them. We will assume a breakdown of body parts and calories, average calorie needs and a few scenarios like a single survivor on an island or a city scale collapse. Mass equals to 62 kg. This is a simple global average for illustration. Body fat fraction assumed equals to 15% of total mass. Energy in fat equals to 9,000 kilocalories per kilogram. Lean tissue energy, muscles or organs, equals to approximately 1100 kilocalories per kilogram or kcal. Eatable fractions after removing bones or uneatable parts approximately equals to 70%. Now the maths step by step. Fat mass is equals to 15% of 62 kg, which is equals to 0.15 into 62, which is equals to 9.3 kilogram. Energy from fat equals to 9.3 into 10 into 9,000, which is equals to 83,700 kcal. Lean mass equals to total mass minus fat, which is equals to 62 minus 9.3, which is equals to 52.7 kilogram. Energy from lean equals to 52.7 into 1100, which is equals to 57,970 kcal. Total raw energy is equals to 83,700 plus 57,970, which is equals to 14, 16, 70 kcal, which is like 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh 41,670 kcal. Eatable fraction 70% is equals to 0.7 into 10 into 14, 1,41,670, which is approximately equals to 99,169 kcal. So one average adult yields roughly 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, approx a lakh kcal of eatable energy rounded. There is also a question in our mind, how long does that last? Next daily calorie needs, a typical adult needs about 2500 kcal per day to survive. So days supplied by one person is equals to total calories divided by daily need. Let's compute the following. So 1 lakh divided by 2500, which is equals to 40 days. So one human could in theory feed one survivor for about 40 days. That's one person, not a long-term sustainable diet. Now, scaling up population and maps. Now look at the scale using simple maps. Small island with 100 people. Total calories equals to 100 into 10,000. I mean, no. 100 into 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. So, total calories equals to 100 into 1 lakh, which is equals to 10 lakhs kcal. At 2500 kcal per person per day for one survivor, that's like 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, almost 10 lakh divided by 2500, which is equals to 4,000 days or approximately 11 years. But only if every other person is consumed and no new births happen, not realistic socially or ethically. City of 10 lakh people. Total calories equals to 10 lakh into 1 lakh, which is equals to 10 crore, 1 crore kcal. That sounds huge, but feeding 1,000 survivors at 2500 kcal per day would last 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and then 1 billion and trillion and oh, it's a huge number. I guess there is like trillion. 1 trillion, yes, 1 trillion divided by 1000 into 2500. If I'm wrong, let me correct in the comment section. Which is equals to 40,000 days, approximately 11. No, it's like approximately 110 years, and again only on paper and ignoring logistic disease and morality. Maps can show population density and highlights that available calorie scale with human population, but so that the moral and practical problems. Problems that break this idea instantly in cooking and preservation, legal and moral collapse, infection and disease. Plants can survive and kill. Nutrients imbalance, vitamins and minerals missing or excessive, and social breakdown. Also, cannibalism spreads disease like Kuru and Prone illness, not a safe food source. So, the conclusion is, so answer short, mathematically you can get calories from humans. One person might feed another for a few dozen days, but it's not sustainable, legal, moral, safe. That's an intellectual thought experiment, not a plan. Thanks for watching the video. Ask more weird maths questions so we will upload them on maps next time. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do a subscribe. Disclaimer: the video is a hypothetical thought experiment. Cannibalism is illegal, unethical, and extremely dangerous. Do not attempt or endorse harm. Thank you.